What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. We have a very interesting video today. We're going to bring you coverage on AMC and GameStop headed into tomorrow, Friday, which is a very important day. We're going to cover technical analysis. We're going to cover the shares short available and the options that expire. What can you expect if you're still holding AMC and GameStop? Make sure you watch this entire video because you want to be well informed about what's going on. So the hedge funds are making the same mistake. They're not learning. I've been saying since GameStop and AMC were at the support levels of 550 and GameStop was trading at $50, I think these guys doubled down. They're still playing with fire. They did not learn their lesson, and now they're getting squeezed again, and it's happening. Why? Because the shares available to short are zero. For GameStop, they're at zero. AMC was at 400 shares short available according to FINTEL.com. With the overall market pulling back, the market is bleeding. We have Tesla pulling back, one of our plays pulling back. Everything is dropping. That adds selling pressure. But can we just take a moment to appreciate how strong GameStop was midday? Well, everything is tanking. Well, everything was pulling back. AMC and GameStop were holding support levels. Out of nowhere, we had this very odd drop, which triggered a lot of stop losses. I don't know if that was artificial. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. For me, GameStop holding above 107 is a huge win. We'll talk about why we need to hold above $50 tomorrow. But let's go on with the coverage. Stocks to buy, hashtag stock market, hashtag NASDAQ, also known as /NQ on the stock market. We're all trending on Twitter. People are going to be buying the dips tomorrow. Again, Friday is usually not the best day trading or trading day out of the week. So that's also going to add some weight on what we can expect headed into the weekend. And it's at critical levels, guys. Make sure you watch this. Make sure you watch NASDAQ and the overall market, guys. NASDAQ is literally retesting that previous support level here on the shaded gray area. If we see more downside, these are the trend lines of support we can see. As for GameStop, we had that 4-hour spike here. Beautiful spike, as well as AMC. On the 5-minute, we're seeing some support right around the hold number of $100. We'll also cover why we need to hold $50 in just a second. AMC is holding some support right around $8. It's still on the bullish momentum, bullish uptrend. It's under the SMA on the 5-minute, but I can still see the uptrend holding. And hopefully we have a push, a gap up to $9 tomorrow on AMC pre-market. And we see $1.20 on GameStop tomorrow pre-market. So that was the random drop, guys. So AMC and GME, you guys have to understand, they're going to be very much correlated. Yesterday, the first stock that ran before anything the market closed was GameStop. GameStop ran and AMC followed right away. I was watching both of them. GameStop ran first before AMC had that push. So for those of you guys that say, go on AMC, forget GameStop, guys, they're correlated. GameStop drops, AMC is going to follow. Understand that first and foremost headed into tomorrow. We were holding very strong midday. We talked about the short sellers who have lost $1.9 billion in just 2 days. Here's the thing. I don't think they're losing yet. I think they're still in and they've doubled down on their positions. It doesn't make sense to me. FINTEL is showing 0% shares short available for GameStop. And if we just go to Finra, which is still the same for AMC, the short interest, 16%, that's completely ridiculous. I don't believe that. On Market Watch, we had AMC again at 12%, but just like last week, AMC was the #1 shorted stock. Now it's not even on here, and GameStop is way down here at around 30%. And for Finra, let's see what GameStop's at on Finra, which was updated yesterday after the market closed. 60% also as well on there. And I think these institutions, guys, are on our side. Here's the thing. There's some weird buy orders going on. This is our live stream. We were live here on the market close. We'll be live tomorrow again, pre-market, and for AMC earnings. But look at these buys, guys, after hours. Is it just me or is this very suspicious? And retail does not have access to buy like this. Look at this. Look at these buys. 110.9199. Look at these weird prices. Those are weird decimals. 109.999, I saw someone else bring that up, guys. Is that odd? These decimals here are so weird. I found that so odd. Also, XRT ETF, guys. I've seen that being brought up. It holds GameStop, and GameStop makes 20% of it. iBorrow Desk is showing 450,000 shares sold short on XRT. We'll pull it up right now. XRT's right around $80. And that's the price it's been at. On the 4-hour, we've been coming down and still holding that support right around $80. But if it's showing 450,000 shares sold short, that can also be used to hide it. They're shorting the ETFs, not necessarily GME. Also keep that in mind. As for the gamma squeeze people have been talking about, it's basically a ton of call options expiring in the money tomorrow if we close above $50, which can just trigger an insane push upwards. And this is exactly what we saw at the beginning of GameStop. And not just that, guys, that creates massive FOMO, massive hysteria, basically. This is exactly what we saw yesterday into the market close and after hours. That's why I don't think these stocks are dead, guys. I truly don't believe it. As for my position, I'm still in. I'm still holding. I have not sold. I'll add more if we drop even further. But the thing is, they're going to try to create panic on these stocks. I think they're going to be manipulated once again. These shorts guys are still in. They're going to create panic because they know people are going to freak out and they're going to sell. These stocks are known as former runners. If they continue to push up, they're still going to continue to make headlines. Best case scenario is GameStop pushes to 150 tomorrow. We head green into the weekend. And Monday, as people are speculating, we see the mother of all squeezes. So this is me telling people not to panic. If we drop to like $70 tomorrow, I'll be adding on the dip. And they have to pay interest on their positions, guys. And they also get margin call. Look what happened with Melvin the first time. Also, watch out for the return of the shills. Watch for media. Watch for the Motley Fool putting out 3 articles in 20 minutes talking down on AMC and GME. Watch for those articles. Don't be surprised to see shills everywhere, guys. Also, there was a slight rumor that GameStop might collaborate with GMBL, which we bought a couple shares on as well. An esports company that might get acquired. We were up a couple bucks, but we're still holding 10 shares, down $23 on the day. Still going to hold that. And Citron, I'd be very aware, Citron broke the news out and they gave GMBL a price target of $50. So that's my idea headed into tomorrow. I'm very excited, guys. If you guys found this video of any value, make sure you guys slap a like button. I appreciate everybody who tuned into the channel live stream earlier. Once again, thank you all for 7,000 subscribers. I'm truly blessed for every single one of you. With that being said, I'll see you guys in our free Discord. First link down below. Thank you, guys.